Imagine trying to evaluate the top speed of a high-performance supercar by pulling out a single spark plug and staring at it. You hold a vital piece of the machine, but you have zero context for how the engine actually fires. We see this error frequently in the tech and finance sectors. Investors focus on isolated metrics: AI processing speed, a specific dashboard interface, or a token price floor. By isolating these variables, they miss the actual mechanics of wealth generation. This is the Unified Sigma Platform, or USP. It functions as a biological circuit, where every component is hardwired into a single, self-sustaining organism. To understand how financial sovereignty is achieved, we have to look at the connective tissue between these parts. The first vital organ of this macrocosm is the NVIDIA Nematron LRM. An LRM, or Large Reasoning Model, is an AI architecture built to solve multi-step problems through deductive reasoning. This specific model operates as the platform's decision-maker, focusing its vast processing power on the rapid movement of global liquidity. As shown in this diagram, the core identifies the path of least resistance to optimize network density. It maps out and selects ultra-low latency pathways, the fastest possible routes for data transfer, to direct the flow of capital. Strategic reasoning gives the ecosystem its direction. Without it, raw processing speed is energy spent without a purpose. Those optimized data pathways lead directly to the circulatory system, the Sigma nexus. Every connected digital wallet acts as a biological pump. These connections drive digital liquidity out of the cloud and actively push it down into the physical world. The data flow becomes tangible here. The interface dissolves into pipelines, forming the foundations of physical infrastructure in cities like Lagos and Nairobi. The nexus functions as a wealth bridge, transforming digital code into brick-and-mortar reality. To keep this organism lean and functional, the system requires a metabolism, the Apex Burn Protocol. This protocol consumes ecosystem friction points, including cross-border remittances, peer-to-peer taxes, and yields from RWAs. RWAs, or real-world assets, are digital tokens representing physical properties or commodities on a blockchain. This metabolic process converts scattered data points into systemic strength. By burning away the excess supply that causes inflation, it builds a fortified price floor for the ecosystem. This concentrated value flows back to tiered token holders in the form of systemic rewards. Scarcity is a vital biological function. Without this metabolic burn, the ecosystem would succumb to inflation. The danger of suboptimization is now clear. If you separate the brain, the heart, or the metabolism, the entire organism fails. This is the moment of integration. The neural synapse, the pulsing heart, and the metabolic vortex lock together. To function correctly, they must operate at the exact same moment. This unified state is the sovereign symbiosis. Intelligence roots the capital, liquidity builds the physical world, and scarcity protects the value. The result is a system where the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. You can view this as a simple token investment, or you can participate as a stakeholder in a living economic organism. Avoid the trap of sub-optimization by exploring the full technical framework of the USP. Subscribe to the channel and access the Notebook LM integration chapters linked in the description. Notebook LM is an AI-powered tool that synthesizes complex research into accessible guides, allowing you to see the full mosaic for yourself. Understanding the full biological circuit is the only way to master modern financial sovereignty.